Come on. The farm plate.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, we have a foods here.
Yeah, I was just looking what they have. See, now this scooter, that's buy maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, here?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure they have things you can buy if you
Yeah.
like.
Yeah. You can
But yeah,
buy.
we'll have to look at scooters while I'm here, you know.
It's good. Oh, yes.
On this vacation.
Yeah, vacation.
Because I talked. Wow, that's beautiful, huh?
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. My God.
Come on.
Come on. Uh-oh. Taking videos of me.
Yes, video. Wow.
Oh, at nighttime they put the lights on. Look.
Yeah, that's why we need to going now. Farm plate, the happiest place in BICOL. The happiest BICOL. Where are we going? Maybe we go somewhere.
Chapel this way,
Okay.
or I guess it don't matter, right?
So
Go
we
either
need
way.
to go to the chapel first.
Okay.
We go to the
Go
chapel.
to chapel and get married.
Well, because here, nature place, is the Art of God chapel. Going there, the chapel. Oh wow, beautiful, beautiful video.
Oh, bamboo.
Bamboo.
That grows in my father's backyard in New Jersey, yeah.
Wow.
And they always figure, where did it come from?
Yeah.
Because it was never there before.
We're going to the chapel.
Going to the chapel, going to get married.
Going to get married.
That's a song that Fred put on our thing.
Wow. Wow, look. The cemetery. Because the animal cemetery.
Oh, for animals, that's good.
Yeah.
They have them in America.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah, they have
Great.
animal cemeteries. For your
The
pet.
animal cemetery here. There. Wow.
A pigeon.
Pigeon. Oh, where's the chapel?
It's gonna be down here.
Oh, where?
Oh, look.
Oh.
Buildings over there.
Maybe there. Where? Where we're going?
Over
Oh my
here.
God. Wow.
Then I'd have to carry you.
Oh, that's why.
Oh,
Oh,
this
look.
is nice. Look.
Look.
There's a
Wow,
cow
the dog. The animal cemetery, dog cemetery. Wow.
Oh, somebody just died. February. Oh, that was last year.
Wow.
24. Look
24.
how cute little doggy.
Cotton, Moshu, Alba. Wow. Dog cemetery.
Oh, there's the chapel, huh? Look right there, little
Oh
chapel.
yeah, the chapel. Why are we going there?
Well, they
my
make the
God.
path to go.
Wrong direction. Beautiful chapel.
Oh, tunnel of love.
Ah, tunnel of love.
Tunnel, oh
Wait.
my goodness.
Wait, tunnel of love.
This is where you go for licky licky.
The little chapel, Philippines' smallest
Cemetery,
chapel.
first in BICOL. Now, where you live, what is it? The same, but you put a P. It's BICOL.
Yes, BICOL. Same. Because BICOL is a province. Different, like Albay, Naga, Camarines, Sorsogon. Erosin is a town about province of BICOL, Sorsogon City, something like that. Alright. Come on.
Come on, okay.
Wow. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Oh my God, and look at the birdhouse for the pigeons.
Oh yeah, wow.
Wow.
The birds. Bird's
Buds.
house. Dove. It's a dove bird.
Wow, who's got to cut all this grass? Oh my goodness.
The chapel, the smallest chapel in
Yeah,
the
let's go see.
Philippines.
Can we get married in there?
Oh. Maybe.
Make pretend we could practice.
Yeah, okay. We would pretend. Oh my God.
What is that?
What is that?
Right there. Is that a real man?
Yeah, it's
Or is that a
like
statue? It looks real.
Yeah, it's statue. Oh, that's very look, the smallest chapel in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's
So
old.
it's very old.
Watch the mud.
Much. Look. Wow. Can we Can we go? Very. Very old chapel. Wow.
Everybody needs something for.
Yeah, that's why I leave something.
Yeah.
Maybe this is the having a historical and miraculous happen. Maybe we need a wish.
I like the lights.
The lights. Oh yes.
Very nice.
Very old
Oh, look at
lights.
that one.
Oh wow.
You like that one?
Yeah. Huh?
The angel flying. Angel.
Yeah, the angel.
That's gonna be you someday. Angel flying.
Yeah. Yeah. How?
You be my angel?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, the smallest chapel.
Yeah. There's one.
It's the smallest church.
There's one where I used to live. My father took us there when we were little kids. It's this size. Very nice.
But the smallest church in the Philippines.
See, something like this, I can build this on. I know
Oh,
how.
wow.
No need to stain it a different color. Just leave it. Like you have all this. If you sand this,
Yeah.
sand it all nice and clean, and
Yeah.
then just put clear, it'll look beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. And then look at the
The
window.
door's beautiful. We can have a house this big, or is it too small?
It's fine.
It's
Look
fine.
at
Oh, that's cement.
cement? No, it's
Yeah.
a wood.
Hon, what's he making over there?
Huh?
What they making over there? Wow. Beautiful. Nice breeze.
Beautiful here. It's blue line.
Yeah,
That's
it
a
must be a lot
romantic.
of work keeping this place clean, like cut the grass.
Yeah. But how we...
It's like Fred's house. Fred's house, like this, goes up,
Yeah.
and he can cut some of it, but not all of it. Oh look, they got a little store down there.
Oh yes, maybe maybe we go there. Maybe we can go here first.
Go up here first.
Yeah.
Pretty flowers for sure.
Beautiful. Look at me. Look. Yeah. Go. Beautiful. Boy. Felt.
What? Nice up here. Hammock. You want to get on a hammock?
Good. We can go there to the no. We can sit first.
Oh, you can sit at a table.
Yeah, the table. Oh my. Maybe we
They
go
got
there.
hammocks over there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hammock? What hammock?
This. You never
Okay.
You never did a hammock?
Okay.
Here,
Use
you
this.
get on.
Okay, what? I.
You, not me. I'm too big. You sit here.
It's fine. You can.
Yes.
Okay.
Get on there. Okay. Look at Cheryl, how pretty. Yes. Get one this way showing the volcano. Wow. Say hi. Hello, everybody. I'm on the mountain.
I'm on the Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
careful of the ano.
Oh,
We're going now?
yes.
Beautiful place there.
Be careful.
Thank you so much. I need
Nya.
to sit because I need to make you a video.
That's. Oh,
Yeah.
let me move my chair a little bit this way. There we go. There we go, honey bun. Yes.
That's a video.
Better be good.
That's a video. Maybe
Well, you look at them later. Then you can edit it if you want.
Yeah, we need to eat here.
Huh?
We need to eat here.
It's up to you.
Yeah, because
Because you're hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. My God, I'm hungry now. We
Hmm?
eat.
Sure.
Come on.
Come on, you're all starving.